Okay.
Okay, where is it? Yes. Okay. So in the Salesforce, in the Apex, we're having a DML operations, correct? Insert, upsert, delete, and undelete, and update. These are DML operations, right? In the integration also, we're having a DML operation that is called as this method: get, post, put, patch, and delete. Get in the sense we are getting a data from the external system. Post in the sense we are creating a data, like we are inserting a data. We are inserting a new data in the third party system. Okay, whenever the Salesforce is created a record, that record it will be stored in the data, the stored in the third party system. Now I want to update the data. I want update now I want update the data in the sense it's a put. It's a put in the sense we are updating a data on the existing records. Now patch in the sense if I'm having 100 records, like the client is giving a 200 records, the 100 records already stored. Okay, now it is adding extra 100 records which is not there in the Salesforce. That is called it as a patch. In Salesforce, you can able to say it's a upset. It's a upset. Clear? Now delete.
Yes.
Delete in the sense we can able to cancel the order, or else we can able to delete the order. Okay, it will comes under delete method. Now request body. Now you can whatever you're seeing this these are all the right. These are all the comes under in the coding part. In Apex only you can able to see these are all the things. This is very important. This is very after that you can able to if you understand this one right, you can able to achieve your requirement with the help of the your logic. You know how to do the logic, correct? So now request body. Request body in the sense items to order. Items to order, like what you want exactly. What is the header? Like you want name, in the document, whatever you want, like name or phone or uh, like a header fields, whatever the data you want, you can able to see the you can able to give the header here. Now response, expected outcome of order. Now, wherever we are getting a data, right? Wherever we are posting a data, wherever we are deleting a data, wherever we are upsetting data, the data it's going from the response only. The going from the response only. It's a outcome to us. It's a outcome to us. Okay, how we can able to connect the integration with the help of the remote set setting, or else we can help we can help the names and credentials. Names and credentials. Clear?
Yes.
मीटिंग हो गया आपका okay now wait authorization details API details endpoint URL request body request methods understood what this means but how I will get these details to begin. You're getting the same question, right?
Yes.
Okay, so these are things required for the call out. Authorization means external system needs to provide us their team will give this. Okay, external system needs to provide us their team will give means whenever we are doing the integration, whenever doing we are the scenario right for the integration scenario, we will get the details. Sorry, we will get the details about the integration, like you will get the endpoint URL, you will get the API details, everything you can able to get the for the authorization part. Okay, now the API details. Now the API, these are all the things you can able to get. These are all the things you can able to get from the third party system, from the client. Like API details should be given by the external system team. Okay, the external system team is there, right? They will give to you the everything. Okay, like name, credential, like client ID, client secret, client password, client username, and client API key and client secret key. Everything they will give. Now URL, like address or person, like what operation you would like to make and what inputs you want to give to get data, like accounts record data created today, expected response. Okay, these are all the things we can able to do with in a remote setting, or else names and credentials. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now this is a, I told you right, in Apex you can able to see this in Apex anywhere.
Mm, yes, yes.
Okay, so see here, this is, I told you right, above, this is a very important thing, very important part, this one. So HTTP is a class in the Apex. It's a integration part. In the HTTP, we are having a request HTTP method, right? HTTP is a class. In that we are having a variable HTTP, or else you can able to give other variable as well. It's not an issue. After HTTP request is one of the class to us. We are requesting. Now in this request, we will get the data. We will get the data here. Like what methods we can able to see: set endpoint and set method and set header and set body and set body. Okay. So now what I'm doing, this HTTP response, HTTP, now what is the third class here? HTTP response. HTTP response. Now in that HTTP, I'm adding which request? This request I'm adding in the HTTP. Now in this HTTP, I'm transferring a data to RES in this variable. Now in this variable, I can able to see the data whatever I want. Like I want name and I want I want the name. I want the name. I can able to see in the request. Got it?
Yes, yes. So,
Yeah.
header is also mandatory.
Yes, mandatory. Header is mandatory. Yeah, and like everything is mandatory to us. Like what is the
Okay.
header here, Johnson? Like I want the name and comma. Like you know right? What is the Johnson language? How it's look like? It's a
Mm,
lightweight. Johnson is a
yes.
lightweight language. It will convert the uh, integer to string. The object is there, right? The object data, it will in the object, whatever the data is there, whatever the fields is there, whatever the encrypted data and number data and phone field and phone data type and phone annual revenue data type, like whatever the data types are stored in the object, those are all object it will convert in the string format. That's why we are using a Johnson. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now rest and soap. You can understand of the what is the rest and soap. See here, for now, understand that they are different way of communicating in external system. Rest is being the easiest and fast one, and soap is being heavy and secure one. Like why the rest is fast and why the soap is fast? Like in the integration, we can able to use rest also, soap also in the integration. So why the difference? Why means REST is the sending like WhatsApp messenger or calling. REST, okay, is an example. REST is nothing but we can able to send a WhatsApp messages or else we can able to calling very easily. SOAP is like sending encrypted email or with intros and outros. This is a SOAP. Uh, XML language?
You heard of that, not used to.
Yes. So in SOAP we are using XML, but in REST we are using JSON and XML. Both also it will work in the SOAP. So that's why everyone is go for the REST only. Because the SOAP in we can't able to use JSON. We need to use only the XML only in SOAP. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay now JSON and XML. See here, JSON it's look like JSON XML are the only language that can be understood by digital systems. All systems knows either of these two languages regardless of what technology they are built in. Having a JSON is a XML. See, a JSON is a lightweight. JSON is a lightweight. It's a string format. Everything you can able to see. Now XML we're having a tag structure. In the insert a tag only we can able to add everything. It's a heavyweight XML. Now JSON is a very lightweight. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Now language supported by REST and SOAP. REST is sending messages or calling to communicate. Sending messages or calling to communicate, and JSON also it will work and XML also it will work. It's like while calling REST support easily language and format heavy language both. So everyone we are going with the JSON only. We can't able to we are not going with the XML. Why means it's a heavy language. We can't able to take a REX. We can't able to take a REX here. Now SOAP. SOAP is a sending encrypted emails, long intros and outros. We can't able to use a JSON. We can able to use a XML only in the SOAP. Clear?
Yes.
Now, okay. Now scenario one. This is from here. This is a practical thing. We can able to do the practical from the tomorrow only. Clear till now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Mitra, see you. Huh? Tomorrow we can able to connect.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So you'll ping me the timing.
Sure, sure. I will ping you. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you.